5 plus 2 equals 7. And here we have 5 minus 2, which equals 3. So 7 times 3 equals 21. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one addition, one multiplication, and one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition, and finally this subtraction. Okay? If we do this addition or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 5 equals 10. So 5 plus 10 minus 2. Now we have one addition and one subtraction. As I said, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this addition. 5 plus 10 gives us 15. So 15 minus 2, which equals 13. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 13.